this is Bobby with Classic Car Investments in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. And today we have a 2004 Chevrolet SSR pickup truck. It's a very cool trucks. This is a really clean one. It's actually got 26,000 original miles on it. This vehicle's on consignment with us from a very good customer of ours. We actually sold him this truck. I think it was 3-4 years ago, something like that, when I had like 20,000 miles. I actually took in a trade on a classic car and sold to a local, like I say, really good customer of ours who bought several cars from us. And he's driven it, put about 6,000 miles on it, and basically put it to just too many cars. I want something different, so got to make room. So this is the truck. It's super clean, runs excellent. We went through the whole truck. Everything works on it. It's ultra clean. I do these videos. I do an inspection of what the cars need and don't need, and so people can be confident buying this car anywhere in the country or the world. So we're just gonna go around this whole truck and show any positives, negatives, and go from there. We'll start with the front. You can see the finish on it. It's beautiful. It's always been garage kept. Very clean. You got a few little stone chips. A couple of them touched up just from normal driving. I mean, I'm talking being very picky here, but I want everyone to see what they're buying. So, look in the front bumper. Very nice, no scrapes or anything. Grill's in nice shape. All the lights are nice. Got a little stone chip there, been touched up, and a little bitty scratch right there. Again, very minute items. The chrome wheels are beautiful. This is the front right. It's got no road rash. It's got the Goodyear Eagle tires on it with a lot of good tread left. Glass, windshield's nice. It's like the original windshield. As far as stone chips, there's really none. Got one little tiny little cosmetic thing there, but nothing chipped in the glass. All the windows are tinted. No door dings or anything to speak of on the doors. Everything's in nice shape. Deck lid here. Rear wheel, no road rash. Again, matching set of tires, nice tread. Back here, super clean. And as I said before, this gentleman's a car collector, and so he treats everything like he does his classic cars, and just really takes care of everything. So has not been hot rodded or abused at all. This is the rear wheel, and you can see it's been very well taken care of. Usually wheels are all scuffed up. Again, nice tires. Getting in and out, this running board's got a couple little scuffs. You really got on there, you might be able to get some of that out. Again, no door dings on this side or anything. Glass is nice over here. Good wiper blades. There's the front wheel. Again, no road rash, beautiful chrome. Being a Southwest truck, don't have to worry about any of that. Also, I got the paint meter. We've got a paint meter the whole truck. Everything's very consistent on the paint meter. Within a mil. Car's been axed, been painted on and stuff. The numbers are all over the place. See, the numbers are pretty consistent within 1 mil. On the CarFax, it does show it had an accident in 2010, a minor accident. And we can't see where it was done. We're having a true car come out inspection just to show that nothing major was done to this truck. I mean, as far as I can tell, there's really no paintwork on this thing at all. Everything really matches in this. You know, it could have been painted at different times, but it's all very consistent, the paint throughout. So, you know, it looks to be all original paint on the truck. Here's the interior, little buzzer going on. Super clean inside here. Leather seats are really nice and clean. This is a very low miles truck. And the original SSR mats. The truck, you just jump in and enjoy. No excessive wear anywhere. Super clean and nice. And the jams here and everything. Nice and clean. Leather's nice. This should get wiped down a little better, a little dusty. So, see how nice and clean everything is. This is the glove box here, and we got your books here, and it's got the cup holder that goes right here, and for your pops out the cup holder part. It's got all the cool accessories that come with them. And you got more cup holders there. Pop the trunk here. Opens up. Super clean under here. Looks like nothing's ever even been in here before. You got your little SSR storage boxes and stuff for your cleaning supplies. The wood grain's really nice. Light lights up. And what else you got under here? A little storage, I guess. So really nice and clean. Shit. There we go. Closes there. And let's see here. Start it up so you can hear it. No lights, nothing. Everything works on the truck, all the windows. You can tune the windows. We're gonna put the top up. You see it operate. Locks down, that goes down. All operates great. Roll the windows up. Show you what it looks like with the top up and everything. See how nice it looks. Top's in condition. It's nice tinted windows, block the sun out. Super, super nice. And you can hardly hear it run here. got to show you is under the hood. And with the engine, super nice and clean. Right, nice and clean. Overall, super clean and serviced. Again, jump in and go with this baby. All the seats work, power, it's got heated seats. What else here? Nice down stereo. Beautiful ice cold AC. It's overall an excellent truck. You just jump in and enjoy, great little mileage, very well taken care of. It's got no issues at all. So any questions, or feel to call us or check out the ad. We got tons of pictures and a full description and everything in the ad there. So thank you, and have a great day. Keep checking for more cool inventory we got coming up. Thanks. I thought the video's over, but it's not. I figured to head back to the shop, I'd give you guys a little test drive. This beautiful SSR. Show you how nice it runs and drives, basically. You got the top up so you can hear me talk and everything. We see the 26,000, 11 miles. All the gauges work nice and clean. It's a really fun little truck, for sure. Sounds nice. It really just drives like a nice low mileage truck. Gets up and goes. Very sporty, handles great, tight, brakes are great, the alignment's excellent. Just jump in and go truck or car, either one. I don't know how you classify it, but more a car than a truck, I'd say. But yeah, so there you go. Just had to figure I'd throw this little driving video in there, but sounds good. Hope you see everything you need to see, and then more than welcome to come and drive yourself. But if you're out of state, buy it with confidence and trust. You're getting a great SSR. Thank you. Bye.